Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope all of you are doing fine. Okay, as scheduled, today we'll be working with access on queries. Okay, so I have posted this folder for you, for your resource folder. Open it. You can see there are files inside here. You will be working with this file. Following instructions or some guidance from this document. Okay, so the first thing that you should do is you open the PowerPoint, then go through all the notes that I have prepared for you, and then here I have some instruction for you on what to do, what are the exercise that you should be doing. Okay, so we'll be working on queries. Okay, so you have to open and use this database, okay, which is this one. Okay, and follow guidance or instruction with this file, this one, which is this. Okay, so the first thing that I will touch in this video is how to work with queries. Okay, with one query, and then with two or more with one table. Sorry, you'll be working with you'll be creating queries from one table, two tables, or more than two tables. Okay, so you can see here we'll be creating 6 queries. Okay, query 1 involves only one table. Query 2 has 2 tables. We will related to each other. And then the last one, I think query 6, we will include 3 tables. Okay, what I have here is only 6 queries. The one that I show you is 6 queries, but I'm so sure I'll be showing you more. Okay, you just follow the video and try to do what I did inside the video. Okay, so that you will get a more understanding with this. Yeah, okay, this is just a basic guidance for you. Okay, another one more thing. Okay, this is we'll be working with this. I have made some adjustment. Okay, so I need you to follow. Okay, I need you to follow what are the adjustment, what's the adjustment that I'm doing. Okay, that I did. So please follow the instructions. I'm going to close this, okay, so that we won't get so confused. So that I won't get so confused, you know, working in the morning like this, you know, it's not easy because I can't create the video. I can't record the video during the day because my kids are all awake during the day and they'll be making noise. Okay, so this is the only choice that I have. Okay, if you see what are the changes, what's the changes or addition that I make for the database, what I did is for enrollment, let's see the last one. Okay, for enrollment I added grade. For enrollment table I added grade with homeroom teacher. Okay, no, I added homeroom teacher. So you can see in 8IK, Madam Maria is the homeroom teacher for 8IK. 8 Razi, Mr. Sabir. 8 Farabi, Mr. Siama. And 8 Ghazali is Miss Najla. Okay, so we are going to do that. As you can see in our table here, enrollment, we don't have homeroom teacher. So how are we going to do that? Okay, let's go back to design view, and then let's add homeroom teacher. Okay, and then here let's add lookup wizard. I will type values that I want. Next, okay, I want to have 2 columns here. Okay, So here would be, let's go back, 8IK, Madam Maria. Okay, Madam Maria is the homeroom teacher for 8 Ibnu Khaldun. And then we have Mr. Siamak. We have Mr. Siamak, 8 Farabi. And then we have Mr. Sabir. Mr. Sabir is, you have to bear with me, okay? I'm a bit slow at this point of time because it's already night, okay? 8 Razi. And then we have Miss Najla. Okay, Miss Najla is the homeroom teacher for 8 Ghazali. Okay. So click next, and then next. Just finish and let us see. Yes. Okay. So now for 8IK is Madam Maria. We fill in the info. 8 Farabi, Mr. Siamak. 8IK, Madam Maria again. Ghazali will be Miss Najla. Farabi would be Mr. Siamak. Ghazali, Miss Najla again. Oh, she's so famous tonight, yeah. Most of the students wants to go to her class. Okay, 8 Razi. I wish you can choose class like that. No, you cannot. Okay, 8 Ghazali. Okay, so now we have all the data here. These are the changes that I have added. Okay, not changes, one more field. Some more field that I add to our enrollment table. Okay, don't forget to save. Always save. Okay, so now let us start our first queries. Okay, how do you create query? Let's go and see what's the first query that we will be creating. The first one that we will do is student info. Okay, students info. So we want to see the information of all the students. Yeah, query 1. So let's go to create query wizard, simple query wizard. Okay, you have to choose the table that you want from here. Okay, so we are creating a student info query from student info table. So click the table and then you can click one by one to select the field. Okay, or you can just click all. So all of the field will be listed here, will be selected here. Or if you look properly, actually I don't include one. I have date of birth. Okay, you can include, I will show you. Let's just do this. Yeah, we include only 5 field. I don't include date of birth. So after I click next and then back. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so now I have student info query here. And then let us look at the design view. Okay, the design view of the query. Okay, and then you can see these are these are the field that we showed. Okay, if let's say I want to exclude some data, I don't want to see age, I just want to see number, student ID, name and gender. I don't want to know their age. I just unclick here. Okay, and then I click run. you can see age will be excluded from the query. Okay, now let's go back to the design view. Click here, and now I want date of birth to be in this query. So what do I do? Okay, look at the field here, additional field here. And from this table, I want to include date of birth. Okay. And then I click run. And you can see date of birth is included here. Okay. So you go ahead and try, see what happened. Okay. And then you can also sort. Let us sort. Okay. Let's go to design view. You see sort here. I want to sort name ascending. Okay, let's see what happened. So name will be sorted from the smallest value to the biggest one, which is A to W. Or we can sort also by date of birth. Let us try. Descending. Okay, not sorted. See what happened. Okay, you can see who were. This is the date of birth has been sorted, okay, from the biggest to the smallest value. Okay, so let's go to the next query. You can close this and then of course save and rename it as query 1. Okay, go to the this pane here that you can see, rename. Okay, query 1 students info. Okay, save it. Okay, try to open and see what happened. Okay, and now let's go to the to our second query. Second query is about what? Okay, let me see. Students class. Okay, I want to know about students class. So let's see. We are combining two tables here. So we are taking student ID and name, and also which grade they are. Okay, which grade they are. Okay, so let's see. Students class. Let's create one more query. Query wizard. Simple query wizard. Click. Okay, what we want is now from table student info. Okay, from table student info, we want to include student ID and the name. Okay, student ID and also name. And then we want from table enrollment. So what do we want to know? We want to know their class, grade. We have to include grade field. Okay, and I would also like to include the homeroom teacher. Okay, and please click next. Okay, next. Let's name it as, what's the name? I'm so sorry, you have to bear with students class. Okay. Oh my God. Students class. This is query number 2. Query 2. Okay. And then click finish. And then you can see all the data of the student that is who are their homeroom teacher and which class are they in. Okay, let's say now Okay, let's say now I want to see the student who's only in 8IK. Okay, this is the query. Let's go to their design view. Okay, so I want to see the student who is in 8IK. Yeah. Let's run and see. You type at the criteria here. Okay. 8IK. Run. Oh, sorry. I told you. Oops. Homeroom. 8 Ibn Khaldun. Again. Class. Okay. Ibn Khaldun. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm going to close this right now. Yes. Okay. Let's go to this one. Okay. So you see when you are doing it, okay, the mistake that I did just now is I add something like this. Okay, I add the dash inside. Okay, if you look at the table, there's no dash. Okay, so please, you have to follow exactly. Okay, if you make any mistake, then it won't be shown. Yeah. So let's go back, change it. Okay, and then run. The data will be there. Okay, so let's try now. Let's say 8 Al-Farabi. Okay, run. It will be there. Okay, so no matter I realize that I make some mistake in not spelling letters, but it's okay. It's supposed to be small letter, but it works. Okay, unless if you put something which is totally not supposed to be there like this, then it won't show anything. Okay. Okay, and another one that you can try is, let's say let me look. Another one that we can choose is light. Okay, light. Okay, so let's say I put light. I write light here at the criteria, light. Okay, and then okay, let's run. Okay, what does light do actually? Light will show you or will allow you to find any records, okay, that has this word Farabi. Okay, you can try also like Farabi or like Ghazali. Okay, Ghazali. Okay, see what will happen. The query will list down those who are in Farabi and Ghazali. They will find the word Farabi and Ghazali. Okay, like will allow you to list down the word that contains this the records or the records that contain this data, Farabi, Ghazali. Okay, or you can try this. Let's try around. Okay, let's play around whether it works or not. Okay, usually it works. Let's see. Okay, but you know, late night like this sometimes. Fa and Ga. Run. See? Fa and Ga. It will be there. Okay. But if the other one that you, the criteria that you choose the other one is you have to follow. Okay. You cannot make any spelling mistake. Any not spelling, any mistake in between, you know, not mistake in between. How do I say it? It has to be like that. Okay, let's say 8. Okay, it won't show. It won't show. Why? Because we have dash here. Nothing will come out from the query. Okay, let's try. See? The criteria will show the one from Ghazali, 8 Ghazali, or you can also equal to, let's run, the same. Yeah, you can play around and see. Okay, this is for query 2 students class. Okay. Before I forget, not before I forget, how do I say? Okay, let's go back to student info query. Okay, this one. Okay, I want to show you another criteria. Okay, another criteria that works with range of values. Okay, range of values, how it works. Okay, let's say right now I want to test the criteria of more than or equal. Okay, so now I want to see in student info. Okay, I want to see who was born after or equal to, okay, April 2005, the date of birth. I want to see. Yeah, so I go back to this query. Okay, don't get mixed up. Yeah, these are the table, these are query. I am just referring to this table. Okay, what do I want? But actually I want to be working with query 1. Okay, so now we are in query 1, student info. Okay, let's go to the design view, and let's go to the date of birth. So what I want to see is who were born after April 2005, after or equal to April 2005. So after, more than, okay, more than. If you don't know how to do this, the meaning of this symbol, more than or less than or in between, you will be in trouble. Yeah, I'm sure teacher Siamak will kill you. No lah, I'm sure. No, your math teacher will be in trouble. I mean, you should know this. Yeah, but I do make mistakes. Sometimes I do, how to say, get mixed up between the sign between more than and less than, you know, something like that. Okay, let's go run. So all the dates who were born after April 2005 are listed here. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's try to change to, okay, more than or equal to May 2006. Let's run. So those who were born after from the mid-year of 2006 until 2020, well, you will be there. Okay. Wow, Wala is actually 1 year old actually, you know. This is just an example, okay. So let's go. Try one more. Let us try one more. Let's give a date now. Okay, date. Okay. I want those who were born after or equal to 11th of June 2006. See what happened, right? So this state, so these are the data for those who were born after 11th of June 2006. Okay, so or equal, so from 11, 13 and until 2020. Okay, they were born. Okay. Let's try now the one in between. Okay, between students who were born between 2005 to 2006. Okay, let's try and see. So it should be more than, should be like this, yeah, more than 2005. Okay, and lesser than, okay, 2006. Yeah, and then run. Yeah, it's not working. Why? 2007. It was working just now. Okay, wait. Okay, we have to put a date here. Yeah, I got it. Okay. 1st January 2005. Okay. So, okay, put a date. First, wait, sorry. 1st January 2006. Let's run. So these are the date for those who were born between 1st January 2005 and 1st January 2006. So you can see it's there. Okay, be careful, yeah. Sometimes if you type wrong, like it will not work. The criteria will not work, yeah. If you type wrongly, the query will not work. I'm so sorry. It's at night, okay, in the morning actually. Okay. Now, let's go to our third, our third query, okay. Student address. Okay, I want to see where the students are working. So what are the query that is included? These two queries, student info and parents. And these are the field that we want. Okay. Create. Simple query wizard. Okay. So we want from student info, we want student ID, name and gender. Okay. Student ID, name and gender. And from parents table, what we want is actually phone number and address. Yeah. Parents table, we want phone number and address. Okay. Click next. What's the name of the query? Student's address. Query 3. Student's address. Click finish. So now this is the query that we have here. Okay. Okay, let us try to play around with some more criteria here in student address. Okay, let us see only male or female student. Yeah, let us see. Go to home, go to design view, gender equal to male. Okay, run. You see, this happen. Or gender equal to female and run. So all the records of the female student will be here. Or let's see for let's see other criteria, address for those who stay at Taman Melati. Okay, run. There's one person who stay at Taman Melati, or what we can see here also, let's say parents, Gombak. Okay, we try to see those who stay in Gombak. Okay, go to student address and go back to the design view. Address, let's say we try like, I don't want like, okay, equal to Gombak equal to, no, Let's play around, see whether it will work or not. Yeah, and let's run. So we can see those who stay in Gombak and Setapak. Okay, or you can try like Gombak. Okay, please don't make any mistake. Here we are trying to find any data in address here that has the word Gombak and Setapak. Okay. Okay, run. And you can see Gombak and Setapak. Huh? Now, let us go to the next query. Always save your query. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Next query, we go for enrollment. Okay. This one, we want to see, this is almost the same with, this is actually the same with students class. Okay. There's class ID here. And then after this, okay, let's just try. Okay, let's just see. Let's just do, and then we just, it's like a practice, yeah. Simple query. Okay, so from query 4, enrollment 1, enrollment ID, okay, student ID, class ID, and grade. So we want to have in enrollment ID, student ID, class, and grade. And we want to combine it with student info. Okay. Name. Okay, let's go for name. And then student info, we want to have name. Yeah. Next, name is query. The name of this query is query. We want to name it as query 4. Query 4, enrollment 1. Sorry. Okay. Click finish, and you can see the students. Okay. In which class? Okay. Name of student, which grade, and which class they are taking. Okay. And then let us go to the next one, query 5. Query 5 is about enrollment 2. We want to see specific subject. Okay, what are they taking? So what are the table that we have? Classes and enrollment. Okay, it involves classes and enrollment. Let's go to query 5, save. Okay, create query wizard, simple query wizard. Okay, so we want from enrollment. Okay, classes and enrollment. Okay, we want classes. So what's the field that we want? From classes, class name and instructor. Okay, class name and instructor. And then for enrollment, the field that we want is student ID and class ID. Okay, student ID and class ID. Okay, next query 5, enrollment 2. Enrollment 2, right? Query 5, enrollment 2. Finish. And then we can see what are the student. We can always rearrange. Yeah, let's try to rearrange. See how. Okay. Okay, cannot rearrange. This table we can rearrange. Okay, so we have here now. Okay, wait. Okay, we can drag from left to right. Okay, and then from left to right. Okay, now we have student ID, the class that they are taking, subject, and then who's their teacher. Okay, so we can see now let's see. Okay, let's go to the view here, design view. Let's add something here. I want to add their names. Okay, from can we add? Okay, I want to add student info table here. I click from outside here to here. Okay, not from outside, from the left, from our table here. We click it in our working area. So what I want to have here is actually I want to have student info, the name. Okay, let's run. Okay, wait. Remove table. Okay, let's just see this and let's just see whose work. This one will come later. I think this is in number 6. Yeah, 3 table, student info, classes and enrollment. Okay, let's focus on this. Sorry, yeah. Now I want to see those who are taking only ICT. Okay, equal to sorry, class name. Okay, let's go to class name. Sorry, let's go to query 5. Okay, I want to see those who are taking ICT. Okay, class name equal to ICT. Run. You can see Madam Nadia is teaching these students. Okay, and let's see whether anyone is taking English or not. Okay, let's go back. Type equal to English. Okay, run. Okay, why? Because I don't think there's anyone who's taking Madam Azian class. Okay, which is English. Let's see. Let us check. Okay, there's no one is taking Madam Azian's class. Madam Azian is 003. Let's check. A003. No, none of the students are taking English. My God. Back. I was just kidding, yeah. Okay, now let's go to how to say the last one. Okay, the last one, query number 6. Okay, create query wizard, simple query wizard. So what are the table that we want to have? Student info, classes and enrollment. Okay, student info, we want to have student ID, name. Okay, student ID and name. Student ID, name. And then we also want to have classes, yeah. classes, instructor, right? Class ID, class name, and instructor. From classes, class ID, name, and instructor. And then we click next. Next. The name is query 6. Okay. What's the name? Your subject taken. We want to see subject taken. Okay. Subject taken. Okay. And then click finish. And you can see the name of the students. Okay. Taking which subject, okay, along with their class ID, and who are their teachers. And you can see Ashraf Ali taking ICT taught by Madam Nadia. Hasha is taking math. Math were taught by Professor twice. And then we have Dr. BTS who's teaching science. Okay. So that's how it works. Okay. I think, what else? Let me look. Let me just check. I think more or less that's it. Okay. Please go back and try this. Okay. Go back and try this. And you can play around. Okay. I tried this now. You know, late night like this, sometimes it doesn't work. I'm going to student enrollment here. Nobody is taking English 003. Let's go to home. View. Okay. I want to take, let's arrange this thing. Okay. I want to drag this table inside. Okay, I want to see student ID, name. Okay. Wait, let me check. Because I can't really see. Okay. Student info, not student ID. Student info, name. Okay. Let us just try. I want to try why it doesn't work. Just sit and see. Let's cancel this. Okay, remove table. Okay. Let's try. Okay, now. Okay, I think that's all. So I'll be seeing you next time. Let's not do, must be some mistake that I did. I can't really see it, you know, at night like this. But somehow you can see in here, I can see who are the students taking what subject and who are the teacher. Almost the same with this. We have name of the instructor, subject that they are teaching, and then the student who are taking them, okay, who are taking the subject, okay. So except for this one has no name and this one has, okay. So I think that's it and that's all. Just try it and see how it works, you know. Don't be scared. try to do this first. I'll be giving you some other exercises later on, so that you can practice more. But for the time being, I mean, not for the time being, for this time, I need you to do this and try this, yeah? Okay? So, see you next time, inshallah. Take care, everyone, and stay at home. Stay safe.